Today, I want to share with you 3 essential SEO tips you need to know. Wouldn't it be nice if SEO was something that you just turn on and then forget about it? I hear you. We both know that SEO, or search engine optimization, is an ongoing strategy. What's more, Google has over 200 ranking factors to optimize your site, and they keep adding more and more. So how do you know which ones have the greatest impact on your ranking? Well, it turns out that if you focus on the 3 techniques I'll share today, you will definitely see an improvement on your organic traffic to your website without risking a Google penalty. So that's good news. And it's a fact that more traffic means more opportunities to convert visitors into paying customers. So, are you ready? The 3 techniques that I'll share today will cover the 3 most important ranking factors for Google. Speed, what do you need to do, or what do you need really to remove to make your site faster? Link building, how can you get your site in trustworthy websites? And social signals, where do social media and SEO cross paths? Hi, I'm Patricia Boral, CEO of Boral Agency, a full-service marketing agency in Houston, growing businesses worldwide. The tips I'm sharing today can be applied to any industry, from manufacturing to construction, legal, professional services, technology, and much, much more. And we have been able to increase sales and generate leads for our clients in both B2B and B2C industries. So are you ready? Let's jump right in. First, do you know what is your website's average speed? This is the first step, because you need to know what you need to remove to make your site faster. And just in case, your page speed is basically how fast your content or the content on your page loads. Google's best practice is to achieve a time under 1.3 seconds. Page speed is a Google ranking factor. This is why it's so important. In previous videos, I've talked about Google's page speed insight. This is a free report for you to run on your site that's going to show you all the things that you need to fix to improve your site speed. Basically, you need to remove all unnecessary elements that slow down your site. Deactivate plugins and widgets that you've made install and activated but don't actually need. Additionally, I recommend that you install or add Google's AMP framework. AMP stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages. However, AMP isn't limited to mobile anymore. Today, it also works across desktop pages. The way it works is that AMP speeds up your web pages thanks to a limited CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. Basically, it's a way to build extra light web pages, which reduces loading time, even if you have a WordPress site. Okay, let's move to the second best SEO strategy, link building. How can you get your site in trustworthy websites? Link building is a fundamental part of search engine optimization. Think about it. Do you usually like it when somebody's trying to sell you something? Or do you prefer when somebody else is talking about how great their experience with that product, company, or service is? This is exactly how link building works. It's another high-quality website talking amazing things about you and adding a link to your website. Think of this as getting online word of mouth. But how can you expect to get others to link to your website if you are unwilling to give it first? A great way to start is to make a link of authoritative blogs such as chambers of commerce or industry associations and offer them to link from your blog to theirs. Remember, link building is about quality, not quantity. In other words, never buy links. Okay, let's go to the next one. Last but not least, social signals. Where do social media and SEO cross paths? Such a great question. Especially because a lot of people think that social media is not important for SEO. Social signals do impact search engine rankings, and in my opinion, it's the easiest way. And let me explain it to you this way. Imagine that in your niche industry, you share a post with high quality content, such as an important guide to improve your manufacturing process. People will start sharing and talking about it, creating links to your page, to your blog, aka website. More traffic to your site, more people reading your content, more time spent on your site, average time spent, Google ranking factor. Now, I don't know about you, but I know that all of those are ranking factors for Google. Additionally, if your social media post is that good, people will start Googling about it. In other words, Googling it with the name of your company, creating branding signals that are definitely a Google ranking factor. So, moral of the story? Take the time to create a social media strategy that will post rich content for your specific target audience so they love it and they share it. And there you have it. Those are the 3 essential SEO tips that you can use today to change your tomorrow. Let's recap. First, we talked about speed. Remember to run your free Google Page Speed Insights report, remove all unnecessary elements that slow down your site, and install Google's AMP framework. Then, we talked about link building and how important it is. Start building your media list. And lastly, we talked about social signals that can easily impact your SEO strategy. Remember, your ultimate goal is to generate qualified online leads in a consistent basis. The only way to accomplish this is with a digital marketing strategy. A website alone will not generate leads for you. You need a strategy around it, such as link building and social media, so you can actually generate and increase traffic. To get you started, I have prepared a free marketing assessment questionnaire. This is the freebie I mentioned to you at the beginning of the video. To truly get to the first page of Google, you need a strategy that will send traffic to your website, helping your rankings go up and helping you get to the first page faster. It is very important that first you understand what's working and what's not working with your current marketing. So make sure to go over to my website and get your free marketing assessment. I'll include a link on this video as well. Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. Which of the tactics shared today will you be implementing right away? Comment your answer below, and as always, if you found this video valuable, make sure that you like it, you share it, so more people get benefits from the tips shared today. And I see you. Bye!